Any number is said to be a prime number if it is divisible by 1 and itself. For example, 3 is a prime number, right? It is divisible by 3 and 1.
It's the world's first electronic computer. Right now, it's solving mathematical problems for the U.S. Army, but who knows, someday a machine like this may check up on your income tax.
Hey, hello internet. Welcome to 45 problems in Python. So in this video, we are going to solve problem number 14 and 15. A Python program to check prime number, a Python program to print all prime numbers in an interval. So before going to solve this problem, we need to understand very important concept in Python, which is for loops. So this is a simple piece of code I written for you, that is for I in range of 3, print I. So let's run it in debug mode. So let's go through each and every step carefully. So first, range of 3. The range function takes one parameter and the parameter should be of type int or any number. So range of 3. So it is from 0 to 3. So at first the number is 0. So it goes and prints the value of I, and the prints number is 0. Then it will go for num again and it will print again number to be 1. Then it will go again and print number to be 3. This is how we understand. So what it is doing, it is making the range from 0 to 3, including 0, not including 3. So we have 0, 1, 2. So why I am using Thonny? Thonny is very easy for beginners to understand. So here you can see the current value of I is 2. So we printed 0, 1, 2. Now let's get into our problem. Python program to print prime number, right? So simple. At first we need to take number as input, right? Num equal to, we will take an integer and we will take input and we will say that enter the number, enter the number. Then what we will say, we will look into it. And so what we will say, let's declare another variable. After taking number input, declare another variable called count and take it to equal to 0, so that it cannot store any junk value. Now initialize a for loop for I in range of num. So what we expect is that we need to iterate it through range of num. So as we know that range starts from 0, so we don't want 0, right, to check. So we are checking it from 1 to num, and we also know that it is not including the number. The range will not include, it will go from 1 to n minus 1. So we need to add num plus 1. So after that, take a if statement and check whether if number percentile I equal to 0. So let's go ahead and print I. So let's look what's going on here. So here type Python problem number 14.py. So it's asked for a number, right? Let's put 3. So we got 1 and 3. 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. So we are checking that we got here. So it has 2, right? So we are getting which numbers are divisible in that range with the number. So from 1 to that number. So we will add the count variable of 1 plus equal to 1. So we will increment the count. So what is prime number? Prime number is any number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Means 3 is a prime number, right? It is divisible by 3 as well as 1. So we need to check that if count, we need to check for this outside here. We will say if count equals to 2, then print f string the num is a prime number. If it is divisible by multiple, then we will get many other things written outside, right? We will say print is not a prime number. So let's check our code, is that working or not? So Python problem 14.py. So what's the first condition, first number? Let's take 2. 2 is a prime number, right? It is divisible by 2 and 1. Let's look for another 19. 19 is a prime number. So let's look for a wrong condition, right, where it is not a prime number. It should go for else statement. So as we know, 4 is divisible by 2, 1 and 4, right? So 4 is not a prime number. This is how you solve prime number in Python. It is very simple. Only logic in here is for loop, right? For loop and range. So now let's get into problem number 15. So problem number 15, a Python program to print all prime numbers in an interval. So let's copy the code from count to this for loop from the Python code. So here we need to have two numbers, right? We need to declare an interval, all interval. So number 1 equal to, let's say we will take an integer and we will input the value here, enter number 1, and we will duplicate the same thing and we will replace 1 with 2. We will replace 1 with 2. After that we will declare a variable called prime list and declare it to an empty list. After that, to do check for prime numbers, we can use two for loops, and it is like bit confuses us. So declare a function to check is prime number, is that a prime number, and it takes an input number, right? Then paste the code which you copied from the previous one, and we need to indent this one properly. We will indent this one and we will save. And at end of this code, after end of count and after for loop, we will return whether count is equal to 2 or not, equal to 2 or not. So it will either return true or false. So let's check that condition. What I meant is print is prime number, so let's say 2 is prime number, so it should return true, right? So here Python problem 15.py, so enter a number, right? Let's say 2 is a prime number, right? It should return, oh sorry, as we enter number here too, it returned true. So now let's get after having this one and having the knowledge of for loops, let's proceed into it. So we need to check from number 1 to number 2 the interval, right? For I in range of number 1, the list should start from number 1 and it should end at number 2, right? Interval. But we need to also include number 2 as we understand about range in that function. And now we will check for the condition. If is prime number, and as you know, the number 1 value is going to be I, right? So here we will take that the prime list array we declared above, prime list dot append. We will append I if that satisfies that condition. So now after that we will get access to prime list, right? So we will print the prime list array, prime list. So I'm kind of confused between Python and other program. We will print out the prime list. So here we will do 15. So first number is 1, and let us say we will print first 100 prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the first these are the prime numbers between the interval 1 and 100. So you can ask, this code is not so efficient, how does this scales? So don't worry about this, is a beginner series, so we will solve in this manner. So if let us say if you tell or how much time it will take for 10,000, it takes quite a few time, like around 4 seconds. And here are the prime numbers 100, 100, 100 to 10,000. These are 10,000. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like my content, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram for the code snippet. And if you want the series to be continued and the YouTube channel to have daily updates, please make sure to contribute me on Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you for watching once again. See you in next video. Until then, peace.